Hello, in this video we are going to see a very brief overview of the simulation of portfolio, and as I showed in the previous video, the normal shape is like this, and this is the case where we are going to see a simulation now. So here you can see the different possibilities. These are different portfolio, and this is what we call the efficient frontier, because it doesn't make any sense to choose, for example, this option, because you can have an option with higher return and lower risk. So you are supposed to choose some of these points, some of these points if you are conservative, and some of these points if you want more return and more risk. So if the bonds are very correlated, which means that with one goes up, the other one goes up, then in this case, if you see, you have almost a straight line, but this is only the case if, as you can see here, with price of bonds goes up, the other one goes up too. Now, if they are totally uncorrelated, the correlation is going to be -1, then in this extreme case you are going to get something like this. The efficient frontier is going to be like this, because you are not going to choose any of these points here, because you can have higher return and lower risk. So in this case, when one bond goes down, the other goes up, and finally, if the correlation is near to 0, which is a kind of normal case, so in this case you get the normal shape kind of like this. So we can see this slowly, step by step, showing how you build the variance and the risk of the portfolio, starting with the prices first, then you go to the return and variation, then you calculate the square and so on, and then finally you can explain how you get this graph. Okay, I have explained very slowly all of this process, but it is in Spanish. I'm going to do an English version as soon as I can, but if you look at the videos in Spanish, I think that you will be able to understand, because it is quite graphic. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.